fishes.
Oh. Oh. So, are you vegetarian? Do you eat grass? Are you a river? Do you eat dog food? Or are you a bike rider? I guess no's our answer. Oh, someone's at the door. I'll go get it. Come in. Hey, Brooke. Hey, Coral. Hey, it's Coral. Hey, guys. I got exciting news. We just got a new puppy next door. Really? Yeah. Remember we just moved? Oh, yeah. Y'all don't live there anymore in the sister's room. I know. Jamie's sister Dorothy has been waiting to get a puppy since, but she didn't get to. I've been waiting to get Dorothy something, but I guess I can't. Gee, that's sad, Coral. Yeah, Coral, we could have had a puppy. I know. But the problem is, we already have a puppy and he's right there. Actually, he's a dog. Yeah, we don't even know if it's a he or she yet. Guys, I really want a puppy. And since we just moved, it's sad we don't have a puppy anymore. Yeah, I know. Sorry. Sorry, Coral. Oh, hey, I got an idea. Well, what is it, Extreme? How about we become the puppies? What? We could become the puppies. That is a weird idea, but I like it. Everybody follow me. Okay. You know what, guys? It's good that we're pretending to be poodles. Now let's go. Yeah. Coast clear, guys. Wait. Where are we going next? I know. Oh, Pleasant Face, I've been looking for you everywhere. You haven't been in the sister's room, aren't you? No. Oh, that's weird. This is down here. Yeah, I know. Bye, Fuzzy. Well, until we're poodles again. Yeah. Say a poodle, P-O-D-S-K-P. Guys, you can put poodles along the nation. Oh, yeah. Poodles are responsible for many different things. They like to go and roll around, play with lots of things. But not like a dog, for that is very sure. Doggies are the one that you nurture. Wake up. Hey, it's your cue. Never mind. This dog always sleeps. I know. Hi, Goldfish. Oh. Guys, what's happening? If y'all want to speak, then I'll give you guys time out. Arf? Woof, arf, woof. Alright, guys. You are in timeout. Now you guys just lay there and think about what you're doing. Oh man, guys, we're in timeout now for 10 minutes. Yeah, all because Mom put us there because we acted like dogs. You know what, guys? I think Mom doesn't understand though, but it's kind of real. I think Mom just doesn't know what was going on. She said if y'all don't talk, we could be in timeout. Yeah, that is true. We are doggone dog, doggone dog, doggone dog. We're doggone dogs, doggone dogs, Doggone poodles and hedgehogs. Doggone dogs, doggone dogs, doggone dogs. I know, it's horrible, yeah. But if we catch the speed of light, things will be alright. We're doggone dogs, doggone dogs, flying through the world. Doggone dog, doggone dog, doggone dog, doggone dog, doggone dog. Through the nation, it's a worldwide sensation of dogs. 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 Worldwide sensation of dogs. Alright, Goldfish, you could get out of timeout now. Mom? Yes. Brooke? Sorry we acted like dogs. We just thought that we would be really special and more awesome if there were dogs in the world. But I guess not. You goldfish have good imaginations. Thanks, Mom. Thanks, Mom. Yeah, thanks. Alright, guys. Who wants lunch? Oh, I do. Yeah, I do. Oh, and me too. Let me guess. You want dog food? Ew, no. No, thank you. No, we don't want dog food. I know that. Well, come downstairs. All right. Oh, brother.